show you with the box. What was in the box? It's in the box.
Not till you give me the
What's in
gun.
the fucking box?
All right, what's up, folks? So, I got something in today from our man Goon Beam. Finally went ahead and ordered me a light because I need an EDC light. So, got with my man Goon, and we have here. That's the light. That's the EDC V1. Fresh out of the box. Damn, that thing feels good. Then pick up some lights and they feel like extra light, and they shouldn't feel that light. There's some batteries in it. But that thing is, oh, I guess I just got to do that. There we go. Whoa. I ain't lying when I say that thing is bright. What else he sent me? That's the charger for the light. Nice. Charging cord. What's in the box? What else he sent? Right. Hell, dude. My brother. Goon Beam sent me extra goodies. What a battery. Oh, hells yes. Damn, Goon. Thanks, my brother. Other light. Charger. Oh, I know what this is. That's that ring. It'd be nice about stuff. Clip. And the rings for the lights. Putting that on there later. So I got the to knock your socks off with it. Hell yeah. And I'll show something else later when I get everything put together. Fucking Goon Beam, man. Dude, thank you so much. That's the clip for the other one. So it gave me both clips, both rings. Hell yeah, Goon. Dude. Man, I much appreciate it. Got me some stickers. Hell yes, man. Oh, light's a little screwy. Damn it, man. Goon Beam, thank you so much, brother. Thank you. So if you guys need some bright ass lights, some tough lights, because I hung out for a little while, man. I watched, dark and other people get them. Put the other sticker pack in there. So I got 2 packs of sticks. And just kind of hung out. Let everybody else be the crash testers on it, but everybody is bragged about these lights and bragged about these lights, and man, they are outstanding as far as construction goes. I've bought a lot of lights through the years, and they all end up getting trashed. They just never last, and I beat the hell out of stuff. You guys pretty much know me by now. I beat stuff up. There is no lie about it. I beat stuff up. Just where I am. I'm tough on things, tough on equipment. And these things feel like they are absolutely bulletproof. So I'll get everything charged up, everything fit up. And I'm thinking about it. We got to. Oh, good God. Yeah. Hell yeah. We had to do it. Let me turn up. Oh, my camera does not do good. We just those blue lights. Maybe I need red lights. Put on the red light. Anyway, folks, that's all I had, man. Goon hooked me up because I just ordered the EDC light, and Goon hooked me up with mo goodies. Thank you, Goon. Appreciate it, my brother. And I know Dark's bragged about them. It's not like I didn't believe Dark, but actually getting my hands on them is, yeah, dude, they are amazing. Thanks, Goon. Appreciate it, brother. I am out. If I can figure out to turn it off. Y'all be cool, man. And as always, keep that thing on you.